So what's up, guys? We're here. These are my graphics from Backyard Design. I've done the last 3 of my bikes, and they've held up really long. And you can really customize your graphics and stuff like this, and you can put all these different logos and stuff that you want on there. It's not gonna look like this because I have like white plastics and stuff on it, except the front fenders are like orange. And this is the side of it, top, and the front. So we'll see you later. Just got a package, gonna go open it. Got Backyard Design graphics. Got them on last 3 bikes. They're good. You can customize them a ton. This is the package. Got the graphics in here. Gonna go bring them into the garage and get them on. Gonna open them, see what they look like. These graphics are good because the packaging is really good. I got some graphics a few years back that were all crumpled and stuff when we got them. Got the sponsors on here: Treehouse Dental, Mo Gear Speed Shop, Gray Area, Gray Area, Flow Vision. Got some mini plates to stick all over. Got the whole setup here. I think they're sick looking. See, you got them blue camo on here. Gonna try this on in a little bit and put them on. Got Factory Connection, another sponsor on here. So we'll see you when we put them on. What I like to do when I put my graphics on, rub them down with rubbing alcohol, take any decals or anything like that off, and if there's scuff marks, you want to sand them down with really fine sandpaper. That's what I like to do. Got the number plate all cleaned up. Forgot to tell you, I also use a hair dryer, so the sides of it lay down nicely on the number plate. I'm gonna try a trick Noah Clark taught me. He's one of my favorite vloggers. I think it worked. Great idea. You should try it. Throwing it on worked. I'm gonna see if slapping it on works. It worked again. So got the easy stuff done, hard stuff to go. Got them fresh. This time I'm just gonna set it there and hopefully it'll stay on. Worked pretty good, so we got them on. Look pretty fresh. Tried some different techniques to put it on. This time, I'm just gonna snap my fingers and see if it goes on. Well, it worked again, so I'm gonna try it on the swinger. Got the graphics on. You can see, took a little bit, took like 3 hours though. But first few I just threw them on and then that was good. So, yay. Next I'm gonna take this tank off and put the stock one back on for motocross. So.